How to delete Telegram downloaded videos. Let's get started. First of all, launch the Telegram application in your mobile device and make sure to log into your account. Once you're logged in, now navigate to the three-line icon from the top left corner. A menu bar will pop up in your interface on your left-hand side. From there, tap on Settings. Once you get into Settings page, again scroll down and then tap on Data and Storage under the Settings. Now under Data and Storage, tap on the first option that says Storage Uses. Now, to delete all the downloaded videos on Telegram, all you have to do is Clear Cache. There you will have a button as Clear Cache, tap on it. Now once you tap on this Clear Cache, all your stickers and emojis, videos, stories, profile photos or any other file you have downloaded in Telegram will be deleted. So this is the way to delete Telegram downloaded videos, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. I will see you on next video.